Good morning, children. Welcome to the science class. Children, already we have discussed chapter 1. Then today we will discuss about chapter 2. So children, open your book and open page number 18. Animals, their lifestyles. Children, we know that different types of animals are there. Maybe big, maybe small, and they live in different places like land, water, trees, polar regions, desert areas. Like this, different animals live in different areas, and their living place is known as, children, habitat. So first of all, we discuss about animal habitats. So what is animal habitat? The place where an animal lives is called its habitat. Okay? Animals live in different habitats like forest, desert, mountains, oceans, seas, ponds and lakes. And even in and around your homes. Around our homes, children, we can see many animals. They show different adaptations that enable them to survive in their environment. So first of all, we discuss about polar regions. Children, our earth has two poles. We know that North Pole and South Pole. In North Pole, Arctic part is there, and in South Pole, Antarctic part is there. So both this Arctic and Antarctic extremely cold. They are covered with snow. How do animals that live there keep out the cold? The fish living there can survive the cold temperature, but the birds living there must stay warm to survive. So they migrate to warmer place when the cold gets very severe. So children, birds cannot survive in very cold atmosphere, so they move from colder region to warmer region, and that process is known as migration. Mammals like seals and whales have a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin, which helps them to keep warm in the icy seas. Penguins also have a layer of fat under the skin. Polar bears have a thick coat of fur, which gets thicker in winter. Some animals spend the winter fast asleep in a warm den. This is called hibernation. Throughout the winter season, they will not move outside. They stay in their den, and this process is known as, children, hibernation. Okay, then comes to forest. Forests are covered by big trees and plants. They are home to a large variety of animals, big and small. Big animals like, children, lion, tigers and bears live in caves. Elephants and deer live in the shade of trees. Monkeys, squirrels and birds live on trees. Rabbits live in burrows in the ground. Snakes and insects live on the forest floor. So they live in different places. Then comes to desert. Deserts are very hot and dry places with little or no water. Animals that live there do not come out during the day because it is very hot. Children, you know, in desert areas, it is extremely hot. They burrow themselves in the sand to keep out the heat. When night falls, they come out to feed. So, in night time, they move and collect their food. But in daytime, they stay in the burrow. The bodies of desert animals are designed to save water. The camel has a number of adaptations to help it survive in a desert. It does not lose water through sweating. It can drink large amount of water at a time and using the fat stored in its hump. Okay, children, this is hump. Okay, it can survive for as long as 2 weeks without food and water. So children, camel store its food or fat in its hump and it can stay without food and water for 2 weeks. Okay, then oceans. Oceans are large bodies of water. They support the greatest variety of life on the earth, from microscopic creatures to giant whales. Fish, octopus, starfish, shark, whales, crabs, and shrimps are some animals that live in ocean. Then wetlands. Wetlands are areas where the land is covered by shallow water. They include marshes, ponds, edges of lakes and rivers. Those areas brim with all kinds of life, microscopic organisms, fish, amphibians, birds and mammals. They are great places to see with a wide variety of birds like ducks, geese, kingfisher, crane and herons. So these are the birds live in wetlands. Then mountains. Mountains are the children hilly areas. So the climate on the mountains is very cold. Animals living there have thick woolly fur. So snow leopard, mountain sheep, golden eagle are the animals who lives in mountains. So children, we discuss about habitat. First we discuss about polar region, forest, then desert, ocean, wetland and mountains. So you have to learn which animals are living which place, means animals, their habitats you have to learn. Again you read whatever I told you. Okay. In next class we will discuss about animal coverings. Okay. Thank you.